Hello guys, welcome back to my channel yet once again. I am back with another video, you guys. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my quick makeup routine, or soft quick makeup get ready with me, if you will. But it's not going to be chit chat, it's going to be just real quick, so you guys can see that you can pretty much do your makeup under 10 minutes without all of the highlight and contour. It's just going to be like a regular natural looking makeup. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started. I'm gonna just go ahead and do my eyebrows, and then we'll put on the foundation. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean this up. Now I'm gonna put on some foundation. I'm gonna use the Dream Matte Mousse, you guys. Okay, now I'm going to use a little bit of eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. Some mascara. You don't have to do highlight, you guys, but I want to do just a little bit at least. Okay, I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara. And I want to put on some of this lip plumper. And just kind of blend in the highlight. And that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You guys, this look only takes about 5 minutes, okay? So thanks for watching. Peace.
To the